This is the front line of human health. Stay tuned and subscribe for the full breakdown.
Up she goes, steady. Watch this way, harness tight.
Load at height, securing now.
MR Engineering's vision is building the impossible, crafting skylines that redefine ambition. From foundations to icons like Burj Khalifa, we engineer tomorrow's landmarks.
Gauge is aligned. Commence lowering.
Steady on the guide ropes, watch the slurry level.
Descent is smooth, no contact with walls.
Good pace, monitor alignment. Check the spacers on this grid before the next pour. Team safety first, hydrate and watch for heat exhaustion. The rebar spacing is verified at 200 mm. Proceed. Water trucks are ready for curing. Pour rate is steady. Keep it moving. Vibrators in. Looks good. Temperature is 38. Activate misting. Slump is 4.5. On schedule. Alignment check complete. Deviation under 10 mm. Pump is flowing. Cavity filling steadily. Next set of verticals tied in. Laser confirms vertical. Proceed. Pump pressure holding steady at 180 bar. Night mix approved. Monitor the slump closely. Slump is 120, temperature 20 degrees. Copy. Hoist is at level 40 with additives. Pump rate steady. Keep it flowing. Spreading the pour. Watch the edges. Safety check. Secure your line. Slump test passing. Take samples. Good progress. Continue to screen. Apply water evenly. Wind is causing rapid evaporation, 3 Celsius. Rebound test sheeting is in place, course certified paralysis. Panels up, guide it in. Copy, holding steady.
Lasers aligned, secure the brackets. Gaskets good, cleaning now.
Panels shifting, hold steady. Locked in, applying sealant now. Alignment good, check for level. Looks good, confirm specs on joint. Confirmed, moving to next panel. Sealing this joint tight. Lifting ductwork to position. Tightening this supply line. Check the model. Adjust the cable tray run here to avoid the duct. Check the tablet. Fire system layout is up. Tightening the last fitting. Sprinkler spacing is code. Exit sign mounted. Testing airflow. Good. Documented for closeout. Alignment looks good. Ready to lower. Okay, lowering now. Check the vibration pads. Good alignment. Secure it. Moving to doors. Doors are aligned. Testing operations. Platform ascending. Laser shows under 2 mm deviation. Copy. Bolting first bracket now. Car lowering. Guide clear. Clear. Using impact. Rail secure. Alignment confirm run. Next section. Alignment confirmed. Proceed with caution. Copy that. Sparks are flying. How is the pattern alignment? It's precise. Checking level now.
Looks good. Protect this section. Make sure those spacers are flush. We need a perfect level.
Laser confirms flat. Passing tiles up. Power lead secure. Ready for cover. Grain alignment is good. Check for gaps. Sofa center. All right, let's get these final touches done. Starting the polish now. Glass is coming up clear. Perfect shine on the marble. Stainless steel is gleaming. Cleaning the marble surface to prepare for testing. Applying load via hydraulic jacks. Gauges show pressure holding steady. Anemometers logging wind data at multiple heights. Sprinklers flowing. Pressure is within spec. Wind speeds are hitting 160 km/h.
Sensors confirm movement is within safe limits. Damping system is engaged.
Good. Moving to seismic and thermal
All
test.
parameters verified. Structure is secure.
Final adjustments now. We're programming the lighting scenes. Balancing the HVAC, checking airflow at the diffusers. Plumbing fixtures are clear. No leaks. Good. Elevator leveling is set. Doors and sensors are synced. Let's review the O&M manual.
Let's run the bottom-up sequence. Programming it now. Zones are loading. Good. Check the RGB patterns. Colors look sharp, ready for activation. Perfect. It's a beacon. System is primed, ready to initiate the sequence. Confirmed. The parameters are set. Activating now. Watch the integration. Perfect. The show is live.
Burj Khalifa, an architectural icon completed in facile foundations laid with precision in the desert. It's here, a sturdy through stoplar.
Starting concrete flow now. Watch the level. Concrete rising steady, depth at 5 meters. Slope the cylinders for B12. Good. Verify against the design specs. Okay, boom's in position, let's pour. Copy that, pump is prime, pouring now. Flow is good, vibrators are in. Temp is 32 degrees. Looks good, keep it steady. Keep it level, we're connecting to the next cap. Panels aligned, bracing it now. Bottom bars on chairs, tie in stirrups. Forms are stable, rebars per spec. Proceed. All right, the pump is here. Let's start the pour. Ready, guide the chute, keep it steady. Vibrating now, looks good. Screening complete, troweling for finish. Excellent work. All beams are up to spec. Initiate slip form assembly. Position the panels. Panels aligned, jacks are ready for install. Power and hydraulics connected, ready for trial. Proceed with the lift, monitor the jacks. Lift is smooth, we're ready for concrete. Pull rate steady, keep it smooth. Wind's picking up, check it. Rebars here, distributed. Alignment is excellent, keep it up. Align that beam precisely with the core plate. Bring it in now, steady. Weld integrity confirmed, proceeding. Design specs are met, continue pour.
At the Burj Khalifa site, construction pushes skyward. Engineers design the facade. Optimizing for wind and stressing ensures performance against rain and load. In the factory, precision manufacturing begins.
Panel lifting, moving to position. Guiding it in, ready for anchors. Alignment good, applying sealant. Quality looks good, check for damage. Aligning the brackets, wind's picking up. Steady, I've got the other side. Looks good, moving to the next section. Careful with the taper, it's tricky. The ductwork clashes with the sprinkler pipe here.
Reroute it 30 centimeter left. That gives us clearance.
Agreed. Update the model and push to field. The airflow path here looks good. Let's check the electrical boxes next. Agreed. We're ahead of schedule. Plumbing is set for the bathrooms. Faucets are secure. Moving to the kitchen cabinets. Excellent work. This unit is shaping up to our luxury standards. Check the grain alignment on those panels. On it. These veneers are flawless. Marble tiles are set. Veining matches. Excellent. The finish is aligned with the design.
At the world's highest observation deck, workers install luxury finishes for unobstructed Dubai views. Flooring and glass create the platform, railings ensure safety, and lighting sets the visitor experience to new heights.
Control room is live, starting system integration checks. Programming HVAC sequences now. Watch the response on the wall. Running remote tests. Security and energy modules synced, all green. All right, final commissioning. All systems go.
Elevators at 100%. Text writing now.
HVAC balanced, dampers adjusted. Elevator 23, speed and leveling check complete. Fire alarms responsive, all clear. Confirming wind speeds at 140 km/h. Accelerations are within occupant comfort limits. Inspection complete, no facade damage. Report finalized.
In Dubai's low seismic zone, this skyscraper undergoes comprehensive seismic readiness verification. Sensors are installed, dynamics tested, connections inspected, and damping analyzed. This ensures safety and demonstrates engineering excellence.
Initiating incremental load test on floor slab. Monitoring deflections percent. Column holding steady. Connection test confirms safety margins. Excellent work. We're starting the fire alarm test now. Okay, activating the manual pull station. Smoke detector response is within 30 seconds. Water pressure is holding. Egress paths are clear. Interior clear. Ready for exterior test. Confirmed. Laptop connected. Starting sequence. Watch the elevation. Red to green, good color response. White spire locked. Energy optimal.
High above Dubai, workers prepare the tower as the fountain takes shape below.
Pumps and nozzles are installed to programmers synchronize jets with music, crafting dynamic shows with the tower.
Wall paint touch-up needed. Documenting now. Windows are streak-free, floors polished. Armani sofa placed, moving to next room. Security armed, temperature stable, all systems. Tower is ready. The stage is set. Projectors are aligned for the mapping. Launcher secure. Loading charges now. Sinking fountains, lights, and fireworks. Burj Khalifa is ready to shine. We gather to celebrate the Burj Khalifa, a symbol of our shared vision and human achievement. The Burj Khalifa is now open. Wow, incredible! Welcome to Armani Hotel. Your room is ready.
Let's get these computers set up.
The view is breathtaking.
All systems are operational.
A must-visit attraction, drawing tourists from around the world. A beacon for celebrations and a pinnacle of engineering. An enduring legacy, inspiring the world.